Happy time. This a happy time from a comeback to Jamaica. You a straight happy time. Get to you, get rich. True happy time, no more talking about we are chopping line. Watch out for you see the face. And hear the voice, say a remedy care represent for Deep Roots TV, we are on the place. Watch a link me up on Instagram, Facebook at Remedy Care 876. We out.
Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier, Kingston, Jamaica. Play around.
Greetings, family. Yeah, some fine. Our old video.
Yeah, but it's Rastafari Soldier, I'm on my way back to Florida. Chilling with my cousin. Everything is blessed. Yeah.
Yeah, downtown me a jive for me, Me and my cousin, My cousin a jive, Yeah, my cousin Ryan, I'm Uncle Sancho. These are the days that I wasn't on YouTube as yet, Now I'm on feel like I need to share my friends and the family. So I'm asking you to give me a thumbs up, Me a like and a share. Yes, my cousin right there. It's a beautiful, beautiful oasis right here. It's an island on an island. I am on my way to Manley International Airport. Yeah, I said it right. International. This is Kingston, Jamaica. Welcome to Deep Roots TV, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Rastafari Soldier.
Yeah, bless up everybody, On the way back to the airport. Coming from St. Bess, the highest and the best. Yes.
I guarantee. Jamaica is a beautiful place and it has changed a lot. Yeah. Changed a lot. And it's changed for the best. So don't listen to the rest. Yeah, in the island, I man invest. You know what I mean? There's the youths that want to stir up the evil and create high rate of death. I'm a true Rasta man. I'm a farmer. Guarantee. And no matter how you hear me about now, Adija Palmer, I rate some of him tune them. And him have a tune where him say, we now run away. A boy can't run I from my yard. And you see, Jamaica, it's like Egypt and the Western Hemisphere. So people all over the world wants to come there. And I'm a true Rasta man. And I'm sometimes don't move too elegant. But I tell you, beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. And this is the most beautiful place on planet to the Rasta. It's the home of reggae music, the home of Cali. You know what I'm talking about, ganja. The home of Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser. I haven't begun as yet, the great Shamshah. I'm pulling up right here on one of our national heroes airport, but at least it's named after him. Welcome to the Manley International Airport. Yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful setting.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The airport again,
You big up yourself, my cousin Ryan. Yeah, that's Farmer Ryan right there, Man here is a machinist. I cultivate in my community, very dependable. And it's a pleasure of mine to know see my family.
Hello.
Yeah. See, in Jamaica, when you're traveling, your friends and family sometimes worry.
Yeah, good.
So if you notice, I get 2 phone calls because my brother, my mother realized that boy, it's time for me to fly. So they're making sure I touch the sky. Hit that red subscribe button for the
Yes,
rest.
my brother, yes.
Mm-hmm.
You know, say me pull up at the airport then. Hold on.
Straight.
Pull up at the straight.
It's a minute now, I'm gonna fly now, man, Manley.
Yeah, pull up at the airport.
Straight.
International airport, you know.
Nah, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, on the left, man.
A good time, I'm gonna fly
Yeah,
now,
yeah,
man,
man.
Manley, international.
Yeah, Jamaican airport, man, there.
I'm sure know what you say, you can't take it out.
Alright.
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah,
But like I said, you know, I and I man just documenting my time on this planet. Yeah, they call Earth. So what is work? Rastafari soldier is just bringing along all my friends and families. And if you don't want preach, you love it. You can come along for the ride. It's not everybody is gonna be on the Rastaman side. You see it? Come on, big up my cousin
Yeah, give
Ron.
you a tour of Jamaican Manley airport, you know.
Yeah, big up my family them. We're always there.
for the high street, yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah.
To make sure me forward
Alright, bless.
on the way.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, Rastafari soldier, you know. Taking off from J8. Bless.
You see, families and friends, I record this for all the people them that never flown to Jamaica or even to America, or don't even have the possibility, whether it's the financial ability or the documents that you need. So, you know, everyone have a phone, whether at work or at home. So I know man wants to partake on 9-man trip. I know man wants to go ahead and subscribe, like and share to the rest.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man.
Yeah.
But it's Rastafari soldier, you know, for the
More life.
Bless up yourself.
Yeah man, more life. I love
Bless
it.
up yourself.
Give thanks for the tune.